let's just put the spoiler on.
Guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we got a monster truck.
So today we're going to do an unboxing video of a stadium truck, which was gifted to us via somebody off Instagram to review. So this is going to be an honest review. Make sure you watch the whole video because there will be a link at the end where you can get 50% off if you would like one. Should we open it, Yusuf?
Yeah.
Right, so this truck is 4-wheel drive, off-road, waterproof. It's got, it looks like it's got some sort of suspension so you can take it onto like sand, stone, all sorts.
Bricks.
4-wheel drive. It's rechargeable, but you do need batteries in the remote control. It looks like it's pretty kitted up, so let's have a look what it looks like when we open it. Let's see.
Whoa!
It's packaged up pretty good. You pull the box. Ready? Yeah.
What?
So it's protected.
There's a
with
book.
pretty good packaging.
Whoa! I got sticker. Whoa! How was this?
I think we're gonna put it together. Oh, proper.
These flashlights.
Suspension is good.
Don't know what.
I'm guessing that's the remote control.
What? The controller. Like.
That's the rechargeable wire. That's the battery. So we're going to figure out where the battery goes. Right. Batteries go in the remote control.
Wow. What's that?
So it goes like that. So you want a positive and negative. And that. We need to connect this battery into the car, and so what you do, these little clips hold the shell on. Take the clips off. And then this should come off. Okay. So the car comes with a battery already in there, and I'm guessing this is a spare one. So what you do, that's the charging cable. So the battery goes in here, clipped in, keeps it in place, and then there's a little wire here which connects the battery into the car, so that powers the car once you charge it. So that should go in like that, nice and easily. Yep. Battery then goes in here. Should stay in place. Comes with a little band so it doesn't fall out when you take it off-road. Right, that's it. Now we've got this. Now we need to charge that. But we can then, it comes with some spare clips just in case you lose the phone. That's already on there. That's the shell. So you put the shell back on, which is the, keep it in place. So this we need to put in. This is like the, I don't know what you call it actually. What do you call it, Yusuf?
What?
Makes the car look a bit more sporty.
Sports car something. Spoiler.
Spoiler, that's it. Well done. How do you know that?
I don't know. So that, maybe this can go on the back. This piece of screw on the back, and then we'll need like screw stuff, and then it will be plugged on it. This will do it hard. Yeah, there you did it.
There we go. Right, you've got to be a bit forceful with these, otherwise they don't go in. This is very fiddly. There we go. Okay. Right, spare batteries, charge car. I have a bit of power. Let's see now that I connected it all. Yeah. Right, I've got some bit of power.
Did you put it on?
Yeah. Let's just put the spoiler on. You said. What I've noticed then, right, is once you put this spoiler on, every time you want to, well, I guess you don't have to really. If you can squeeze this charging cable back in. You don't really need to open it. Just when you want to, if the battery ever goes faulty and replace it, you have to take the whole thing off.
The tiny pin.
Could you give me where's that screwdriver? It comes with a screwdriver, so at least it comes with everything you need. Just gotta keep it safe.
Whoa, that looks cool.
Okay.
Do it.
So the charge cable, you can just about get to it without taking it off. So it's just there on the side. It just pulls in. So it should be okay. So batteries go in here, which I've already put on. Switch it on. I think we need to do a little bit of a practice because it looks like it's pretty fast. Whoa.
Yeah, I want to try.
However, let's see. This is go backwards.
Go forward. Take it.
I'm just figuring out if you go backwards or not.
Right.
Okay, the remote has a few settings. So you've got the on and off button. So down to go forwards, up to go backwards, and then you can center the steering. So there's a little button there. Turn it up that way, the wheels go a bit aligned to the right, and if you go that way, it aligns to the left. And then obviously probably best to leave it in the center if you're going in straight lines, which is like that. Steering, right, left. And then there's two settings here. Reverse steering. So basically you change that. So this is now right, that's left. Before it was the other way around. Look. Okay, got that. I think if you're left-handed it might be better the other way. Okay, and then this is slow and normal mode. So currently we got it on slow. So you can play with it, it's not too fast. But then if you put it on fast, if you put it on normal, sorry, it's rapid.
Wait, I want to try normal. Normal, right. Like, I'm gonna test this outside on the grass and the bumpy roads and see if it's good.
We'll see how good it is outside, and then we'll give it a good a rating out of 10. What do you think of it?
10 out of 10.
So, yeah.
I'm gonna do it fast mode, do it normal. Try to do normal.
I'm going to try and go around all the trees. Let's see if we can do it. Oh my god, it's so hard to control.
God, you haven't even got around one tree yet. Go around one tree then. Yeah, you did one. Oh, you missed.
Right.
You're doing it. You got one tree.
Oh, you're sick at this. Try the concrete. It's got a remote control, it's got a good range in it.
Yeah, look how far it is. Go, Nura! Go, Nura! Woo! Yeah! Well done, Nura! Woo, 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 woo! Well, okay, stop! It's gonna go in the bushes, we're gonna lose it.
Okay.
Go on, use this turn.
And then my
Can you get it out of danger, Yusuf? Come on, you! Woohoo! Lean in, well done. Yusuf, what do you think?
I love it.
Zaid, go chase it, go get it, James. Zaid, go get it, go get it. Go on, Zaid. Whoa, Zaid. Woohoo! I can stop Zaid. Zaid, give it there. Yay! Well Zaid. Woo, Zaid, well done. Yay! Oh, it's going. It's got really good range because he's there and he's there. Look. Whoa! Bring it back. Bring it back. Go. Nope. You're going the wrong way. Oh, it's going up the hill. Going onto the path. Whoa. Ah. Yay! Woohoo! Oh, he's stuck! Oh no, he's digging a hole. Go up! Go up! Ah!
I'm not going inside.
So look where the car is and look where he is. So that just shows the range is fantastic. We lost it. Oh, look, it's going.
So the car, we tried it inside and it was really fast. Outdoors, we took it to the park, we tried it on different terrains, grass, soil, concrete, uphill, downhill, and it was actually, it was good, wasn't it?
It looked kind of, but
It's hard to control.
It's hard to control and it was going in the bushes.
Yeah, we lost it a couple of times. You need to practice a little bit more on the manoeuvring, but the range.
Like when you go like sideways, you need practice that.
Yeah.
But we can go straight, but it doesn't go straight. It goes like round.
Because of the range, you can control the car from quite a distance away. So
Yeah,
I know
the
a
range is really
little
good.
bit how to do it.
Yeah, I think we had a lot of fun, especially like going around like the trees and like going up and down the hills, and he went over the grass really well. Yeah, that was really good. I enjoyed it. I had really good fun with it.
It was a good laugh.
Maybe next time we'll try on sand and see how it goes on sand. So how much would you rate it then? Out of 10.
I'd say.
No, I say 10 out of 10.
I'd say it's a good 8. I think the controlling is a bit difficult.
I like 10 out of 10.
But that's probably because we're not used to it. But.
Yeah, it's because the actual remote control looks a bit different in it. I think we're more used to the PlayStation pads, those remote controls. We're used to those. All right, so you would give an 8. I think I would give it a strong 9.
I like it so much. I'll give 10 out of 10.
Oh yeah, so I just want to say, if anyone lives in the UK, you can get 50% off. So I'll put a link down of the page where you can message that person and they'll give you a discount. But yeah, I think it's worth it. It's really good. So anyway, thank you all so much for watching.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And we'll see you in our next video.
Bye.